What's up? What's up? This is Jay, and just doing the finishing touch on my French drain, my last video. So I noticed in my bag of rocks here that I bought the marble chips. You can see it was very dirty as well because it just recently rained, and the rain somehow got in the bag. So I had to make them nice and white, and I'll tell you how I did that in a second. But as you can see, there's some odd looking green rocks here, which is kind of cool because it's flavoring. It just kind of came out in this area. But so I'll turn my camera here, the finishing touch of what it looks like. And then what I did was I flushed some up a little bit here as well behind there, just for the aesthetic feel. There's that sock. I want to kind of cover that, give it a professional look. Anyway, do you see these little rocks? These kind of came out very dirty here. So what I did was, to make these rocks nice and shiny and white, I had to wash it with the hose and make all the dirt go down. Piece of plastic there. So that's the finishing touch. So check it out. Here it is from there all the way to there. So here, you just go down the line. That bush is going to grow over the rocks, make it look cool. And to right there. And I had to make this flush as much as possible right here. See all that? I tried to make that flush. Anyway, this is Jay, and showing you my final touches on my French drain. I hope you enjoyed all these videos. I bought it with that bag there, those marble rocks. Alright, God bless you. I'm out. Have a great day. Later.